Hello everyone, Jean-Roch here. This is a machining test with closed loop stepper motors on all axes of my machine tool. Let's go ahead. Spindle runs at 13,000 RPM. Tool is 3mm diameter HSS steel. The hole looks extremely clean. On the side of this test you can see previous tests that have been done with the same program and with different types of motors on all the axes. They haven't turned out quite as good. But this is just the beginning, so let's see what happens next. I'm going to start the spindle again and continue with the program. Again, what looks like a very clean cut. The walls also look very nice. So for the next test I'm going to increase the feed rate manually. Start the spindle again. Again, a very clean cut. On this last pass, the feed rate increased up to 2 point something meters per minute, which is actually limited by the acceleration on each axis. Because it's doing a circle, it's constantly accelerating and decelerating. Because of the small diameter of the circle, it can't reach the full speed on each axis, but the circles will grow bigger and bigger to compensate for that. Okay, so I will return the feed rate override to a normal value for the next test. Start the spindle again, and here we go. Very clean result so far. I'm very happy with it. Let's see how stayed the Tool is in. This is cutting within aluminium, but without lubrication, so it's not an exact science, I guess. At least not for me. I should point out this is obviously climb milling. The tool is turning in that direction of the cut, so it's always going into the metal, into the thick of the metal, sorry. Okay, let's go even faster. This was 2.8 meters per minute. This was 3.3 meters per minute. I actually really like the result. It's probably hard to see on camera, but it's actually, the metal is actually quite soft. You can't really feel the ridges where the tool has gone several times. This is obviously a roughing pass. If I were machining something like for a finished product, there would be a finishing pass to get rid of this. Okay, let's continue.